Nakikita nyo ngayon yung official Facebook page ng Involve Asia Philippines official group, okay? Now, meron tayong isang Involve Asia publisher na nag-post or nag-raise ng isang question, okay? Ang sabi niya, ask ko lang po sana kung may makakasagot, counted po ba if sa messenger ko ipinasa yung Involve Asia deep link ko, okay? Facebook profile property yung ginamit ko and Shopee yung kinuha na product. Okay, so sana may makasagot and thanks in advance. Okay, now makikita nyo dito guys, nag-reply yung admin ng Involve Asia official Facebook page, Emma J.A., okay, top contributor. Okay, so ang response niya, technically, maaaring mag-send ng links via messenger depending on the advertiser offers and allowed promotional methods. Okay, however, hindi natin ito in-encourage dahil may chance na matag ito as fraud, okay? And hindi part ng inyong property ang chat platforms, okay? At hindi rin na-monitor ang promotional method na ito. Okay, salamat. Okay, so ang gawin natin dito, basahin rin natin yung mga reactions or yung comments, okay, ng mga ibang Involve Asia publishers based dito sa answer ni Emma J.A., Involve Asia Facebook page admin, okay? Yung sabi dito ng isang Involve Asia publisher, di po ba generated naman yung links from the property at ipinasa lang naman ito sa messenger? How come hindi ito nagre-reflect? Ayan. Okay, so yung same person na nag-comment, nag-provide pa siya ng proof na talagang binabayaran yung mga Involve Asia deep links, okay, na pinasa sa messenger, okay? So ibig sabihin, kahit sa messenger sinend yung Involve Asia deep link or affiliate marketing link, nung clinic ito ng customer and nag-purchase yung customer ng products or services, nag-lead ito into sales and conversions, okay? So guys, kapag clinic natin itong screenshot na pre-provide nitong Involve Asia publisher na nag-comment, ang ginawa ko dito, dinownload ko siya kasi para mas malinaw niyong makita. Okay, so ito na yung downloaded na file, okay? I-maximize ko siya pero kahit medyo blurred naman siya, makikita nyo naman yung, mababasa nyo pa rin naman yung mga information. Okay, so based dito sa Involve Asia dashboard nung person na nag-comment or yung publisher na nag-comment, sinasabi niya na meron siyang proof. Okay, itong mga products na bathroom, shelf, storage, okay, na-share itong mga products na to sa Facebook Messenger. Okay, and then nung nag-click yung customer from Facebook Messenger and binili nila yung item or yung product, makikita nyo dito, nag-convert siya into a sale or conversion. So talagang naging paid daw. So ang ginawa ko dito guys, after reading yung mga comments nung kapwa natin Involve Asia publisher, nag-comment rin ako. Sabi ko, ako yan yung Involve Asia cryptocurrency. Okay? Guys, maliban nga pala sa YouTube channel natin ngayon, Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel, hihingiin ko na rin pala yung suporta ninyo na i-follow rin yung ating official Facebook page, Involve Asia Cryptocurrency. Okay? So nag-comment ako dito, sabi ko, hi po. Pag ni-revisit natin yung reply ni admin Emma J.A., it makes sense naman based dun sa answer niya. Sabi ko, ang sabi kasi nung reply niya, technically pwedeng mag-send ng links via messenger and it depends on advertiser offers and allowed methods, okay? So ang ibig kong sabihin dito, kung doon sa example or screenshot na binigay nung isang publisher na nag-lead into sale, yung mga deep links na shinare through messenger, ang ibig sabihin, yung mga advertiser na yon sa specific products na yon, nataon na allowed yung publisher na mag-share sa messenger, and kapag sa messenger clinic yung deep link, based sa kanilang promotional advertising method, pinapayagan nila na mag-count ito into a sale or conversion. Okay? Kaya sabi ko dito, so if may proof na paid yung mga deep links na shared through messenger, most likely, allow dito ng advertiser. Okay? Ganito kasi guys kapag binalikan natin itong comment ni admin, ang sabi dito, however, hindi natin ito ini-encourage dahil may chance na matag ito as fraud, okay? Okay, dahil hindi part ng inyong property ang chat platforms. Yung pag binalikan natin yung comment nung original post, Ang sabi niya kasi yung Facebook profile property niya naka-add as a valid Involve Asia property. Okay tayo doon. Pero yung system limitation nun, mga photos and videos na sa comment nung videos and photos or sa description merong Involve Asia affiliate marketing link. Yung Messenger kasi guys, ibang klaseng feature to sa Facebook, okay? So separate platform. Tinitreat siya as a separate platform ng Involve Asia affiliate marketing system, okay? So kahit yung Messenger na ginagamit mo is under Facebook profile property na added as an Involve Asia property, ang sabi dito ni Emma, based sa understanding ko and para magkaintindihan tayo, parang pwede mong gawin yan pero at your own risk, okay? Ganun lang yun eh. Ang dapat mong tandaan doon, make sure na babasahin natin yung terms and conditions ng advertiser na nagsusupport ng mga items or services na sinishare mo through Messenger, okay? At hindi na mo monitor ang promotional method na ito, okay? Pero by any chance na ginagawa nyo to and nagko-convert siya into sale, yun nga, tulad nung sabi ko kanina, at your own risk talaga siya, okay? So yun lang yung iingatan natin kasi pag naparami tayo ng share sa Messenger ng mga Involve Asia deep link, baka maano naman tayo. Ang concern ko dito yung matatag as fraud. So ayaw natin yun kasi baka magkaroon yun ng negative impact sa mga Involve Asia accounts natin, okay? Now, disclaimer statement for our Involve Asia and cryptocurrency YouTube channel. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on our website, Involve Asia and cryptocurrency YouTube channel, is strictly at your own risk. More fruitful gains, everyone. I'll see you again on our next vlog.